Greetings, this is Brother Joseph. Today I want to talk to you about something that's been going on for a while. It's the illegal immigration, the illegal violent immigration problem. It's plagued Europe, it's plagued America, it's plagued the West, really. I wanted to bring it up in light of an article I wrote a couple years ago called "The Violent Illegal Immigration is a Punishment from God." That's basically what that is. It's a punishment in this manner that Jeremiah said something significant. He said, he's telling the people what the Lord told him. "I'll let your own wickedness reprove you." This is chapter 2, verse 19. "And your own wickedness correct you." Jeremiah is drawing from the covenant that God gave Israel. You find this covenant in Leviticus 26. You find it in Deuteronomy 28 to 29, where God says, if you're unfaithful, I'm going to let certain bad things happen to you. And these things correlate to the wrong being done by God's people. What I write in the article, I bring that up and I then point back to the crimes that have been committed in the West for decades now. And there's 5 of them. One crime is sodomy. Sodomy is a terrible crime. Another one's abortion. And in another one you have divorce, the breakdown of the family. A lot of that's due to feminism. You have the crime of government schools taking over what parents would do and what the church would do. And then you have the great apostasy in the church. These are the crimes being committed. How does this relate? Well, what do these crimes do? What do they have in common? They destroy the population. Now let's back up to the illegal immigration. Immigration couldn't happen unless there was a great vacuum. There's a great vacuum of people because we're aborting our young. We're putting a green light on sodomy, saying it's perfectly fine, it's perfectly okay. We're destroying the families through family court and through feminism. Nobody wants to get married, nobody wants to have kids. Especially guys, since they get fleeced by these family courts. Our own wickedness is correcting us. The West needs to repent. The violent immigration would not happen if there wasn't a great vacuum. There's a great vacuum. There's a replacement going on because there's no one there to fill anything. It's a replacement of what once was. Cities were once filled with people, but the church abandoned its mission. The people abandoned the church. Families are destroyed. There's no replacement there for the Western culture, so it's been replaced by something diabolical and evil, which is Islam. It's very simple when you stop and you think about it. And I'm going to put a link to my article below, and I encourage you to look it up. The violent illegal immigration is a punishment from God. We asked for it, and we got it. That's all I've got for you. God bless.